This is damage to the front end of your car, which hit his car in the rear.
Go, break! Oh my!
Mi primera chamba, me acuerdo el día que de la chamba yo me enamoré.
Vay bля. Vay bля. Dedem öldüremeyiz arkadaşlar.
That wasn't a good idea, Imogen. Andy, cuidado!
帮忙干嘛了？
没来。
你这个好有造型的，兄弟。专业卖补。
喂。
Albatta, qo'rqmanglar. Hammasi meni nazoratim ostida. Alloh rozi bo'lsin.
No sé quién las inventó, no sé quién nos hizo ese favor, tuvo que ser Dios.
Че ему надо-то, блин?
Ну ты где права получал?
Ты чё, козлина-то? Вообще, что ли?
Руки
Короче, я научился открывать майонез, так что сегодня без попитов. Ебать.
Valiendo verga por llanta y este cabrón con dos alterray nuevecitas, cabrón.
When you try your best but you don't succeed. When you get what you want but not what you need. When you feel so tired but you can't sleep. Stuck in river.
So just run and throw your head at your toes. It's kind of like doing a cartwheel. Okay. But don't belly flop like that.
Hey! Hey, you can't park there! You can't park there!
It's a raccoon.
Oh my god, shit, oh, the bear!
It's a bear.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 4, 2, 1.
Turbo. Dar parquet.
Here we go, boys.
There you go, mate. That all good? Yeah. Cheers. Nice
Cheers,
one.
mate.
Thanks. See you in a bit.
Protégeme, Señor, con tu espíritu. Protégeme, protégeme, Señor. Y déjame sentir el...
Oh!
met the guy who voiced Donald Duck in the 70s.
Can you hit the dog one more time? Yeah, what's your name? Mike.
Hi, my name is John Baguette, and I am the French composer behind the iPhone's ringtones. Banger. Banger. My inspirations: nature, yoga, cocaine, bicycle. I'm just inspired by life.
Can I smoke?
I enjoy listening to the sounds around me, immersing myself in them. And for the new iOS 17, I wanted something really technologic, and this is what I created. It's a revolution, it's a game changer. Because in the world of Apple, we don't follow trends, we create them.
World. The hell is it? Oh, dog bites cow. Oh, cow is in the pool. Oh my good dog is going in the pool after the cow. Oh my goodness, they are in the deep end.
Babe, we're gonna do this TikTok trend. Whoever finishes the orange juice first gets $100. Okay, ready?
More like you don't waste my $100 for me.
Okay, ready?
You're gonna give me $100.
1, 2, 3. Babe!